In this video, we will show you how to replace a maintenance box on the Epson T5470M. First, locate the access door in the front of the printer. Press the rectangular handle and pull downward. There are two maintenance boxes in this machine, one on the left side and one on the right side. Your operation panel will specify which side needs to be replaced. To replace a maintenance box, simply place your fingers into the bottom recess of the box and pull out firmly. Do not tilt, as it is full of ink and can cause a mess. With your new replacement Epcot maintenance box, locate the empty plastic bag and use it to dispose of the maintenance box you are replacing. Once again, be careful to keep it level. Seal the bag completely and dispose of properly. Remove the new maintenance box from the packaging and slide it into the void firmly, label side out and recess side down. The chip should be facing towards you as shown here. Close the door and the process is complete.